video, you'll learn the exact mindset that you need to have in order to close every prospect we send your way. Now, this is going to happen if you actually understand this extremely simple yet very important concept. So when's the last time you've sold a client on a product and maybe even opened up an account with them, and after that they actually stopped doing business with you or started ghosting you? Either that's never happened or happens very rarely. And that's the whole premise behind the low-hanging fruit strategy, aka get clients the easy way. So this sales process in a nutshell is very easy and very simple, and I'll show you exactly how you can implement it to your business starting today. First, we have a market offer which will eventually generate prospects. Now, out of those prospects, with the automation we got going on, and with you putting in a little bit of effort, we're gonna book Zoom appointments. So those are 15 minutes appointments where you will start talking with the prospects and try to book a real official appointment with them. And during that appointment, you will get your close. So this is actually very easy, right? But we need to come with the right mindset in order for this to make sense with your prospects and for you also. Now, from the start, we actually frame those people to a set of rapidly achievable, instant gratification outcomes, and they get very attached very quickly to that specific set of outcomes that they have in their mind and that we display on the market offer. So this is not a regular person walking in to check out what you do and how you might help them, right? And if you come with the approach that it's a regular person and a regular interaction, you will get very little success booking in official appointments and getting closes with the prospect we send your way. So the actual approach that we recommend you taking is go for a straight line sell using the approach that they're already pre-sold on from the start. So they don't care about any technicalities and the nitty-gritty. They just want the set of outcomes that they've been marketed for since the start. And if you're able to get that for them and easily show them how they can do that on the Zoom call, then this will follow very easily and you will get their trust from the get-go. And that's the whole idea behind the low-hanging fruit strategy. When I say straight line sell, I really mean don't waste their time with technicalities unless they actually ask for the specifics. And even then, just tell them as little as you can. Because what's gonna happen if you start going off path is you're gonna fall into a trap, thinking you're actually providing them with information they need to make a decision when they actually don't. And what you're doing is making a big deal out of it, showing them all the different things you can do for them that are actually gonna change their lives in a good way. And even if it's in a good way, it's a big change in their life. And that's gonna require a lot more thinking and involvement on their end before they move forward, versus as if it's just a small deal, instant gratification offer that they can move on quickly and get done with. Then you're actually gonna get a lot more closes with a lot less tension and restriction from your clients and from the prospects we send your way. So in order to get a client from cold traffic and actually turn them into a loyal customer that is benefiting from many financial products that you offer them, you're gonna need to build a lot of trust with them. So they're gonna need to trust you, your company, and also the fact that the first offer, the initial offer again, has worked for them. Therefore, you have built a lot of trust and social credibility with them just with that initial offer working. And when you actually get that, now is when you want to start showing them how you can improve their life, because now they will actually have the trust in you to open up enough to consider actually changing their lives by using your financial products. The mindset approaching a situation like this is I will give you, meaning like you're talking to your clients in your head, I will give you exactly what you came in for, you'll get your instant gratification before mine. And as soon as you start trusting me and my company, because the initial offer has worked, I will show you the other offers and services that I have for you that might bring even more joy to your life and put you in an even better financial situation for yourself, your family, and your children. So when you actually tell them that, you can approach it like this and say exactly that if you want. I've shown you with logic that this has worked for you, and before that, it worked for X amount of other clients of mine who were in the exact same situation as you today, with very similar goals in terms of financials, future goals to the ones you have right now. So really, you're no different to them in terms of your financials. You might be a totally different human being, but in terms of financials, in terms of what I do, you're very similar, if not exactly the same. So I can tell you right now that I have other products which will bring even greater financial benefits to you and your family, and will give you peace of mind about your future and the future of your family, because I've done it with so many other clients before. So are you willing to take a look at this with me? 9 times out of 10, your clients will actually say yes. And by that point, that prospect or new client is even warmer than any other referral that you might have gotten in the past, because they actually already started working with you. So they're ready for a lot more. And this is the whole goal behind the low-hanging fruit strategy.